You can learn so many Finnish words by understanding what the Finnish etuliite, epä, means. It's equivalent to the English un, for example, like unpopular. So the equivalent to that in Finnish is epä. It's a bit tricky to pronounce, so let's practice together. Epä, 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 like the cat, that short A sound. Epä, epä. If you get worried about how you're pronouncing your Finnish, I can definitely understand. For example, when I was taking a Thai class on italki, Thai has 5 tones, and I'm pretty sure I was pronouncing stuff in a super interesting way, but my teacher on there was super patient and encouraging, which made me feel real confident to practice even when I was making tons of mistakes. This month, Italki is hosting a special giveaway, so listen up to find out how you can enter. Italki is a language learning platform providing high quality and personalized one-on-one teaching. Italki aims to help you achieve fluency through live interaction via scheduled lessons that you can book for a time that suits you, and it's also pay as you go. Right now, Italki is hosting a giveaway where you can win Italki credits up to 400 euros to take language lessons. Use my link in the description down below and follow these 3 steps to enter the giveaway. First, use my link in the description to go to Italki's website and click on the Enter Giveaway button to sign up with an email. After that, download the Italki app from the landing page of the giveaway. For an extra chance to win, you can also take at least 1 lesson on Italki. So don't be nervous, practice your Finnish by signing up for Italki lessons with teachers that will be patient and encouraging as you continue to improve your pronunciation and vocabulary. You're never too much of a beginner to start, and what better way to start than using my link down below to enter for a chance to win Italki credits. Click on the giveaway link now and onnea to you all. Hope you win. Toivottavasti voitatte. So in Finnish, we have this thing called an epäetuliite. So etuliite means a thing you put in front of the word that gives it a bit of a new meaning. And this video, we're focusing on the etuliite epä. When you put epä in front of certain Finnish words, usually adjectives, it is used to create antonyms, which means the opposite state of something. Opposite in Finnish is vastakohta. So using epä in front of usually adjectives, you can create the vastakohta of that word. It's also used to express a negative or uncertain meaning. So when you use epä, it is meaning a negative state or on some kind of uncertain state. The equivalent in English would be like my previous example. Popular would turn into unpopular. So that is the idea when you use epä. So let's look at some examples that use epä. We have the word varma, which means sure, to be sure of something, varma. So olen varma, I'm sure. But the opposite of that would be if you stick epä in front of varma, it turns into epävarma, which means unsure, right? Varma, epävarma, sure and unsure. So olen epävarma tästä vastauksesta. I'm unsure about this answer. Epävarma. Another example is selvä, clear. Something is clear to you. Selvä, selvä. Tämä tehtävä on selvä. This exercise, or like work exercise that you're doing, or like school exercise that you're doing, is clear. You understand what's happening and going on. It's clear to you. Opposite of that, if you stick epä in front, it would mean unclear. Epäselvä, epäselvä. Tämä tehtävä on epäselvä. this exercise is unclear. It's not really making sense. Okay, so that is the idea of epä. And there are so many words that you can create by putting epä in front of one of these types of adjectives. So let's take a few more examples. What about the word mukava or comfortable? Tämä sänky on mukava. This bed is comfortable. So how would you change that by using epä? Epämukava, right? So tämä sänky on epämukava. This bed is uncomfortable. Epämukava. Epämukava. Uncomfortable. Similarly, kohtelias means polite. Sinä olet kohtelias. You are polite. Minä olen kohtelias. I'm polite. How would you turn this around using epä? So you would stick epä in front of kohtelias to turn it into epäkohtelias. So in English, I guess there is no word called unpolite. So it's impolite in English. I somehow had a blank for that translation, but yes, it's impolite in English. So epäkohtelias is impolite. Sinä olet epäkohtelias, or minä olen epäkohtelias. I am impolite. So kohtelias and epäkohtelias. Let's take two more examples. So we have the word onnistua, to succeed in something. Onnistua. Minä aion onnistua. I will succeed. Here again, remember my future video with using the word aikoa, minä aion, to state something about the future. Well, here I'm using it in a sentence. So minä aion onnistua. I will succeed. So if we use epä in front of onnistua, it turns into epäonnistua. So to fail. Minä aion epäonnistua. I will fail, or I will unsucceed, not succeed, basically is what it means. So onnistua, to succeed, epäonnistua, to fail. Last one, säännöllinen. Säännöllinen. Säännöllinen means regular, when something happens regularly. The opposite of this is epäsäännöllinen. Epäsäännöllinen. So something that happens unregularly or kind of unpredictably. It's not in a regular schedule. Epäsäännöllinen. 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 Säännöllinen. Okay? So I was trying to think of a sentence with this, and actually this word is a lot of the times used with the STI ending. And I haven't talked about the STI ending in my videos, I don't think. But basically, just briefly, the STI ending makes adjectives into adverbs. So they describe the manner in which something is done. Kind of like the ly ending in English, you know, like quickly or slowly, you know, this kind of ly ending. So the example sentence here is bussit kulkee säännöllisesti. Säännöllisesti. So the buses are going regularly, ly ending, same as the STI ending, okay? The buses are going regularly, säännöllisesti. But if you want to use epä here, the sentence would turn into bussit kulkee epäsäännöllisesti. Epäsäännöllisesti. The buses are going not regularly. So säännöllinen and epäsäännöllinen. So like I said, there are tons of words you can do this etuliite thing with. These are just a few of the examples, and I hope this kind of got you thinking about this, and I hope you understood the concept. If you have any lingering questions, do leave them in the comments down below, and make sure you do sign up for the italki giveaway, because there is a chance that you could win 400 euros of italki lesson credits that you can use for Finnish classes as well. So thank you so much for watching. Kiitos todella paljon and I will see you seuraavassa videossa. Moikka!